Yeah, this is the Fernando that we've got getting built on the Gold Coast. It's a pavilion style house. This one's been built on a concrete slab and elevated decking at the front. It's got a combination of different materials using the fibre cement axon on the side here with some feature panels with the colour bond and a vertical strip. There's a good use of windows through here with louvers, double hungs, bifolds, stacking sliders. And if we come through here, there's the main entry into that separates the two pavilions. So you've got a guest wing and then the main living area and the master bedroom on this side over here. So big stacking sliders, rake ceilings, highlight windows that are mechanically vented, so you can push a button and it will open up the windows to let the breezes through. But yeah, nice simple open plan. The kitchen's over here, walk-in pantry. And then this little module over here is where all the master bedroom suite is. So, good use of cavity sliding doors. And here we've got some nice louvered windows. And once again, a stacking sliding door which is easily opened onto its own little private balcony.